My name is Stacey Smedley. I'm the Executive Director of the SEED Collaborative, and we're looking at the SEED Classroom. It's our prototype living building prefabricated classroom. The thing that I'm most excited about really is our lab space, and it really came from first what we did at the Birchie School project, and then also the Jasper kids and their ideas. They really wanted a green wall where they could actually grow things to eat. So this is our living wall that was actually designed by a teacher in the Bronx. He has a company called Green Bronx Machine where his high school kids install these walls. We've planted it with all sorts of herbs, peppers, tomatoes, and some chilies even. And then also the kids asked for a way where they could quantify how much water they would need to wash their hands. And so we came up with this idea of a hand pump that's connected to the cistern and the potable water treatment system. They can actually pump the water into this clear container, see how much water is in there, and then gravity feed it through the sink to wash their hands. So they can actually pump it up in there to be a gallon of water, a half gallon of water. Most people use between a half and a full gallon when they're washing their hands. See how much that really is, and actually discover that they probably need a quarter of that when they're really quantifying it. So just making everything really interactive and hands-on for them. There are also some really great monitoring systems for them. This is the first cistern where the water comes from the roof into the cistern and it fills up, and there's this really simple gauge that starts at empty and goes to full, so the kids can see how full the cistern is before it overflows to the exterior cistern. So just making these things as exposed as possible. At Birchie, the kids could explain this entire system to you because they have it, so the hope is that any kid that learns in this classroom space would be able to do the exact same thing.